Hi everyone, after a long time I decided to put out a new video about crypto, and with the recent surge in BTC price I started getting a lot of questions from my friends about where to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin with little fees in a secure way and preferably fast. So instead of me saying the exact same thing over and over again, I'll just show it in this video, and I'm going to use my Binance account. You should sign up to a Binance account in order to do exactly what I'm doing here. And we're going to use a bank transfer. I'm based in Europe, so this is a SEPA bank transfer in euros. And let's get to that. I'll show you. There's two ways to get there. And you have this button here, your wallet in Fiat and spot. And before I go on, just a quick side note here. If you're new to the channel and you're interested in crypto or Python, maybe some web scraping even, please have a look at my other videos there. And if you like my content, let YouTube's algorithm know by hitting like, subscribing to the channel, some comments maybe, sharing my videos. There's more in the making. I just need your help to grow this channel. Whether you're a subscriber or not, I really like to read your feedback in the comment section. That's the only way I can improve my content. Oh, by the way, and if you don't have a Binance account yet, because I'm obviously using Binance, I'll leave a link below that you can use to sign up, and it will give you 5% of all your trading fees, not deposit fees, your trading fees, the fees that you pay on each trade. They'll give you 5% of your trading fees back, so that's better than most referral links out there that I've seen. Okay, commercial break over, sorry for that. And we can actually click the deposit that we've seen here, or we can click bank deposit. Now this will show up if you have validated your account, verified your account. So if your account is not yet validated or verified or whatever that is, if it's not verified, you will not have this option here. So when we click bank deposit, buy crypto with a bank deposit, you should have this button here if your account is all set up. If not, you might need to do the ID verification, know your customer forms and all that. It's usually very fast. I've heard from some friends that it's taking some time now with all the new accounts because of the recent high price. So, but what you need to do here, I think, okay, so we're now before 5 p.m. here where I'm at, so this should be quick. Once you have this bank transfer SEPA for European banks, you just, let's say I want to deposit 50 euros. And this service on Binance is offered by this supplier here, Clear Junction. If you want to have a go and do your research about what are they, go ahead. For now, I'm just going to deposit 50 euros with no fees. And this is way better than Coinbase, because on Coinbase you actually pay 3.5%, I think, when you buy Bitcoin. So you're basically buying already in the red. And you pay the same fees when you withdraw. So it's not a good deal, especially since the crypto space evolved in terms of providing new options for deposits and withdrawals very easily. So let's transfer 50 euros. Click continue, and I'm going to get the bank details that I need to fill on my bank account, on my web app or e-banking side. You need to transfer to this IBAN. This is the account number. And this is important. You have to use your reference code. I don't know if I'm going to blur this probably in the video, but there's a 4-digit number here, and you need to use it in your comment section on the transfer that you're doing. So you're going to go on your web banking site or your banking app. You're going to do a new transfer, and you're going to transfer the money to this account, which is your account on Binance, and you use this reference code. So people on Binance know where to send those 50 euros to. This is all you need. the IBAN address and the reference code. This is for you to know what's the entity that we've seen, Clear Junction. This is their details. You don't need this, but it's just, yeah. So I'm going to go on my banking app and I'm going to do a transfer to this IBAN right here. And let's see how fast it is. And let's see, whoops, here. So that's our 50 euro transfer. It's successful. And if you want to see your wallet, again, I'm not sure, I'm going to blur this, but your balance in euros, in fiat, will be here. So you're going to have some euros to spend, which you can spend in the euro market. So if you want to go and buy Bitcoin with it, you should search for, it's easier this way, euro. You can buy Bitcoin with euro here. You can buy USDT with euro. And yeah, so these are all the pairs with euros. And if you want to buy BTC, you would just come here, and in this section, I'm using the full screen one. This section right here, this is how you can buy Bitcoin with euro. So let's see, if I wanted to buy 75 euros Bitcoin at this price, I would get this amount. Usually you don't want to do a market order. Let's just say you want to buy if it reaches 15,008 euros, which is roughly $17K. Anyways, I'm not going to place this order. I mean, I'm going to place it, but it's not really going to stay there. So let's say we wanted to buy 70 euros at this price. You just buy BTC. And now you're going to have an order waiting for the price of Bitcoin to drop. And you actually see it in the exchange. This is your order right here. And you're all set. If the price gets to 15K, your order should be filled. So that's how you buy Bitcoin without paying any fees. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can sign up using my referral link. I'm going to create a link that will give you 5% of your fees back. That's a nice tool that Binance has for affiliate marketing. So yeah, just if you like the video, I think it's a nice way to say thanks. Just use my code and you're going to get 5% of your fees back. So that's saving even more. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments. Try to help out when I can. And yeah, that's it. Thanks and see you in the next video.